Hey, it's April with The Possible Diet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue chickpea quesadilla. Chickpeas are awesome. They are a nice alternative when you're trying to just take a break from meat, but still want to get all your proteins and your amino acids. I always add hemp seed to anything that I make with chickpeas because they have all the essential amino acids except for histamine, which hemp seeds have plenty of. Fun fact. I use Primal Kitchen's classic barbecue sauce because it's unsweetened. If you don't like it, you can add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So I just get a can of garbanzo beans, a couple of tablespoons of hemp seed, maybe about a quarter cup of barbecue sauce. I add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar just to give it a little bit of tang. Few drops of monk fruit sweetener, like 5 or 6. You don't have to add it if you don't like your barbecue sauce sweet. I find it kicks it up a notch. Just want to mix this until it's got kind of like a, and I also mashed the chickpeas with my fingers so that they're kind of not quite hummus, but a little mashed up. If you have a mortar and pestle, you can use that, but I don't. Give it a taste. Yeah, that's perfect. Add some salt and pepper if you feel like it needs it. And then this is kind of a funny way of doing this. I took this inspiration from a video I saw on Instagram from Food 52. I have half shredded Gouda, half sharp cheddar cheese. My pan is pretty hot, so I'm going to add about maybe 1 or 2 ounces of each of the cheeses. Let it get all melty and delicious. And then I put more tortilla on top of it. I'm using La Tortilla Factory's low-carb tortillas. You can also try Trader Joe's Carb Savvy. Press your tortilla down on that. And I came up with this recipe because I wanted something that tasted like a barbecue chicken pizza, but was actually good for me. And then I'm trying to take a break from meat now and then, just, for sustainability and a change of pace. And barbecue chickpeas hit the right spot. So, go ahead and flip this. Once the cheese is melted, add your chickpeas on half of it. I do this sort of like omelet style where I fold one half of the quesadilla over the other. You could do it, like a big quesadilla on top if you're not watching your carbs. And save the rest of this to throw in a pita. And then I add a little red onion, a little green onion, a little avocado, some cilantro, if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to put it in. And then I'm going to flip this over. This is a little greasy, but I like it greasy. So if you don't like it this greasy, you could use less cheese. I love low-carb tortillas because it lets me have quesadillas, which are so easy to make and so delicious. And that's it. How easy was that?